Hi guys, we're here again in the Smiths. Here, look at this.
I think more do not wear masks. Some
Yeah.
do, some don't.
Some people wear masks. Hi guys, and today we grocery and I wearing PPE and gloves. I get the gloves now.
I'm putting on Daddy's phone.
About half the people we saw wore masks.
Yeah,
And half did not.
yep, half not wearing, half they wearing.
Pretty crowded. Was it
Yeah.
big lines or what?
Dahil bawal na magkasakit guys. Get forbid, piyag-piyag. So, protect yourself. And now guys, we here now in McDonald. Drive through McDonald now. Look at the cars, a lot of cars there. It depends to the people if you go out or not. And look at the mountain guys, there is.
You're gonna have to get
There's
the
snow.
sunglasses out of here.
Hi RJ, where are you RJ? What you doing RJ there?
Nothing.
Nothing. Here's RJ, what you playing? Okay, here you go. Hamburger. Pick up. There guys, pick up. Here's the other Smith there. Smith store.
Right. Now I got this right here. You know this 2020 coupon book?
Under the cover the window.
There you go.
Okay, thanks. What I needed is those
Wipes. Ow. Here, we bring this guys so that
Going out for me.
okay.
That soda
Okay,
company.
there he is.
Don't touch it.
There is Kill 99 viruses, bacteria, disinfecting wipes. Yes, napkin. This one.
Alright, well, I need to put it down.
Okay. Here is the orange and Sprite.
Good, thank you.
There he is. Here. Okay.
Good.
Okay.
Go.
There is pizza, Little Caesars. You want pizza, RJ?
Pizza.
There, pizza. And Subway there. There's Smiths. Look at the grocery store. It's crowded.
Gas has gotten cheap.
My God. Look at people there. What's in there?
Garden stuff.
How many people there? A garden.
Tools,
There's
garden.
American.
What, RJ?
It's American first in there.
Oh, really?
Really? Okay guys, we're going to the other McDonald. There he is. Ito ang kalsada.
Look at the subdivision.
Oh, we look at the subdivision here. Here he is.
We almost bought in here.
Yeah, we almost bought here.
Closer to the mountains.
We're in the mountain. It's closer. Nice here. Yep. Nice view, the mountain.
Want a lot.
Wow, look at this here, the ladder.
Oh, it's not sold. It's still for
Not
sale.
yet.
This is the last lot right here.
Yep.
I think. A whole bunch of them.
Look at this here. Nice.
4 5-year-old girls and one little boy too.
Nice house here. Oh, look at this. So cold.
They got a house in the backyard. This
Yep.
one's got a house in the backyard.
Yeah. Look at that. That house in almost we buy. The
Nothing.
middle.
Yeah.
But see, here's big house.
We sold every one
Yep.
except for that one corner lot.
Yeah, there is the view. There's Antelope Island there. Antelope Island in the mount there. Yeah. Yeah.
Time in 3 weeks.
First time in 3 weeks we get out. We cannot take it.
No, it's dangerous going grocery shopping.
Yeah, God forbid. Yeah. Here's the view. Nice. Look at this view. Hi guys. We get out in the house now, guys, because we cannot take it. Look at the tree. Nice flowers now. Look at that. Here, other view, guys. We here now, almost in the mountain. I want to show you guys what look like here in Utah. This look like, guys, in Utah. This desert.
Yep.
It's so dry here in Utah.
A lot of water on the mountains. It melts. All
Yeah,
the snow
because-
melts and comes down into reservoirs, and they got enough water.
Yeah, because so many snow there. That's why I have many water. Subjugger.
The
Yeah.
playground, that's good. What to say?
Yep, you see that park is closed.
Playground's closed. Splash Park opened up in May.
There is.
May?
End of May.
This the park. Have no people there. I have one. Have dog. There is the
The
library.
library's closed too.
Yeah. There is.
Oh, we got half a tank.
There is the McDonald, guys.
How many burgers you want? 10?
We go again here, McDonald, 10 burgers.
That's it. That's
Stack up to RJ.
It will last a week.
Yep. Here's the menu.
Hi, welcome to McDonald's. What can I get for you today?
Yes, I'd like to get 10 hamburgers.
10 hamburgers?
Yeah, all plain. And that's it.
I'll have your card on the first window. Thank you.
Okay.
The shop, the window cover. There is. All the window have a shelf now, so that we protect the people inside there.
Hi there, can I have you park at number 3?
Okay.
Park in number 3.
Very hard to park in number 3. They stick out.
There is not yet cook our burger. And there is the view in the mountain. Look at the tree. All have flowers now. Nice tree have flowers. In Philippines, you cannot see this like
Missed the
this
line
flowers.
completely.
Huh?
I missed the line.
It's okay. And here is RJ, guys. He playing Fortnite. Always playing Fortnite. The RJ.
You can't because there's no internet.
Hey, play RJ Fortnite. Error.
All my socks to be off.
Here is RJ playing. Always playing.
I'm gonna play rescue.
It's RJ. They cannot see mommy.
Can I be right?
Here is RJ. Look at that. Your socks.
I'm hot.
You hot. That's why have socks.
Suck. 71 degree. Look.
Wow, 71 degrees. 5:23 p.m. na.
Help me!
Hopefully that'll slow
Help
the
me.
bounce down, you know.
Yeah.
Help me! Help me!
What's that, RJ?
What happens
What's
if
your
you
thing?
you see these spikes?
Spike.
Look what happens if you swim into the spikes.
And then what happened?
This is what happens.
Oh no!
got
Hi guys, we're here again in the Smiths. Here, look at this.
I think more do not wear masks. Some
Yeah.
do, some don't.
Some people wear masks. See the Smiths, guys, is packed. Oh,
It's in line for Costa Vita.
yeah. See
I'm
that?
gonna get one of those, okay? Get
Wow.
one of those, we go in the mountains.
You go driving in the mountain.
Going to summer. There's no snow.
It's up to you.
Okay, we'll get a pizza. The $5 cheap one. Get a burger for lunch when I get home.
Yeah. Here again, guys, the Smith's gasoline station. Here
We're gonna
is.
get gas next week. We'll get a half tank.
Look at the grocery store there. A lot of cars. See?
They have more money than Chevron. $225. Chevron was $217.
Yeah. There is.
71 degree. Springtime in Utah.
Yep.
So,
And Little Caesar pizza. There is. Buy Daddy pizza for
late tonight dinner.
late dinner. Midnight.
Midnight dinner. Got a few hours sleep. We'll get up early tomorrow.
What pizza you like?
I'm gonna get the $5.
Oh, $5.
I need no
The
sauce.
large classic. Here is the Smith Marketplace.
window.
If you buy online, then you deliver in your house, or you pick up here. There is pick up
I can't.
grocery there.
Yeah, I'd just like to get the $5 classic, the cheese.
$5 cheese. Okay,
Right.
anything else?
That's it.
And $5.41 the window, please.
Ooh. Okay.
You like the hat?
Thank you. Okay, I'll just move those
Oh,
coats.
there is the Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut. Look like Pizza Hut. There is.
Microwave it tonight. Oh,
Yep.
boy.
Okay, guys, we're going again to Symphony Home.
So,
We look around. We're going to Symphony, guys. Symphony is a brand new house. Houses here. So expensive.
Yep, we can't afford it.
Cannot afford. So look at this house.
Oh, there's good. Yeah. There it is. Like that one, or do you want the one on the corner? On the curve.
I like that have trader, so that have privacy there.
You like the curve right here?
Yeah. Oh, so brand new, but so much money. There
Oh, we
is.
can offer 'em, you like that one?
It's a nice house, huh?
Nice deck, huh?
I like the deck because it's higher.
It's off the ground.
Yeah.
There's the 2-bedroom.
Yep.
Straight ahead, 2-floor.
Oh, and have a
Oh no, I'm
basement.
sorry, 1-bedroom underneath it.
Oh,
And there was like 3 bedrooms in the basement. But it's dark. You would rather have a bedroom on the ground floor.
yep.
Here
See?
come some shoppers.
Oh, people too. Look at the
Utah's
house.
still shopping. I saw him point. Look. The wife was pointing.
Yep. Look at the. Here is the view, guys. See the view.
That's a nice view right there.
Nice. But if have house this, it block the view.
It looks different when you get all the houses in here.
Yep. Okay, guys, that's it for today. And see you next time. Bye bye. Okay, guys, here is the pizza. Eat now the one, Daddy. Here is. This pizza is so yummy. And here's the burger. And the drinks. Okay, guys, let's eat pizza.